My name is Emily Blevins, and I teach kindergarten at Hopewell Early Childhood School.
Good morning and happy Tuesday.
I teach all core subjects, so I teach phonics, reading, writing, math, science and social studies. I think a big part of teaching kindergarten is just we're in the business of making memories, so that's what we're doing.
We are crisscross applesauce like a mountain, like a mermaid. Our hands and feet are to ourselves, and our eyes are on the board.
I don't think it came as a surprise to anybody that I was going to be a teacher. My mom is a Lakota teacher currently. Her dad was a Lakota teacher. And then on my dad's side, my dad graduated from Lakota, my grandparents graduated from Lakota, and then my great-grandpa worked in maintenance for Lakota for 59 years. So for us, it's in the family.
All right, where are we going?
To class.
All right, to class.
In my classroom, we celebrate big and small victories, whether it's, mastering all their red words or whether it's just learning a new sound or a new letter, really giving them those foundational skills in order to become better readers and writers.
Say at. Add. We have. Beautiful job.
A lot of the times, especially in kindergarten, we're really working on reading, and that's their goal. They want to be able to read. And so there's nothing better when you put a book in front of them and they realize they can actually read it, and they look up at you and they have these big saucer eyes and they're like, oh, I can read it. Like, there's no greater feeling than that. At the end of the day, when they walk out of your classroom, you know they are a better human because of you, and you've helped them become a better version of themselves, and it's worth it.